Need to make dozens of labels fast? Instead of typing each one by hand, I'll show you how to use Excel with mail merge in Word to create a full sheet of labels in minutes. Perfect for mailing lists, product tags, or event name badges. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through step by step. This is the data in Excel sheet that I'm going to use to create labels. If you see, I have got column headings at the top and then relevant data that I require for my mailing labels. So what I'm going to do, open new Microsoft Word file, and go to the Mailings tab, click Start Mail Merge, and select Labels. In the Label Options window, choose your label vendor. For example, if you're using Avery Sheets, select Avery. Then find your product number. In the list, mine is 5660. Once selected, click OK. Now you'll see a grid layout for labels in your Word document. Now we need to select our recipients. So go under, select Recipients List, and use Existing List. Now you need to select the Excel file you saved with your recipients data. Browse and open your Excel file. Then select the table that contains your data. If your sheet has column headers, make sure the first row of data contains column headers option is checked. Now each label grid shows the text next record except the very first one. In the first cell, insert the fields you need. Go to Insert Merge field and choose from your Excel columns. For example, first name plus last name, press Enter, then street address, then city, and finally state. If your text looks messy, go to the Home tab and select No Spacing from Styles to fix formatting. And if you want to add padding or margins, go to the Layout tab and then Margins button, and I will add, for example, I'll set left 0.06 and top 0.02. This creates a bit of breathing room in the labels. Now go back to Mailings tab, and under this tab click on Update Labels button, and you will see clicking on this button. This will load all fields into other cells in this table. You can also preview final result by clicking on Preview Results button. And there you have it. All your records from Excel file is now perfectly marged in mailing labels. You can also navigate from here to check other labels. Now when you are done with Preview Results, then simply click on Finish Marge by clicking on this button and select Print Document. If you want to print all pages, then just simply click on OK, and then you're ready to print your labels. And that's how easily you can turn your Excel list into ready-to-print labels with Word Mail Merge. No more manual typing, just quick, professional results. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.